Every time a new employee joins your company and they need to use Office 365, you need to add them as a user. So if you have 5 employees, add 5 users. To get started, sign into Office 365 with your work email. Then choose Admin. Under Users, choose Add a User. Add their first and last name. The display name is filled out for you. Type their username and choose your company domain name. The username and domain name together make up the email address and sign-in address for the employee. Fill in their contact information. This can be useful if you ever need to reach them outside business hours. Under Password, you can specify one or let Office 365 come up with one. Let's choose Auto-Generate Password and then have this user change their password when they first sign in. This way they can come up with their own password and will be less likely to forget it. Under Roles, choose User. If they were helping you with admin tasks, you would choose Administrator. Under Product Licenses, choose Office 365 Business Premium, so this employee can use Office apps, email, meetings, and more. You'll see a message that another license will be added to your monthly subscription and will cost an additional amount each month. Choose Add. You see their user account information. You can write this down and hand it to them later, but it's easier to send the account details to your email address and the employee's alternate email address if you have it, like a personal account. Then send email and close. Your new employee will get an email with their username and password that they can use to sign into Office.com and start setting things up, like Office apps, email, and OneDrive.